Hey, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Kranzle or the Kranzle or however you want to pronounce it, K1622 TS. This is going into my trailer build, and as I go along, if you've seen any of my other videos, I'm going to start, well actually on all of them, I'm going to do my best to do an unboxing and then, of course, post the video so you can see kind of what I'm putting in there and what to expect if you do order the same things. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is going to help me tremendously down the road. Today, follower-wise, not so many. But yeah, my hope is that long-term this will be part of a community that we can all kind of contribute to. All right, let's get into it. So this unit I ended up ordering it. It was in a town called Paris, Texas, and they happen to have one in stock. So I went ahead and ordered it, had them ship it to me here in Texas as well, and they were expedient. I got it, I think, within the next day or so. All right. First thing I see out of the box is the operating manual. Very important. I'll be spending plenty of time going through this, I do believe. Alright, so it comes with a hose. I'm not sure how many feet, but yeah, it comes with a hose. Not sure what the diameter is. I'll say 6 millimeters just for fun, but so it does come with a hose. Does appear to be a high quality hose. All right. So there's the gun. I will not be using this gun. However, let me take that back. In my professional detailing, I won't be using this gun. In my detailing when I'm at home, I just might use it. However, I've never used one, so I'm going to have to look at it and see kind of what I'm looking at. Appears, excuse me, appears to be high quality. It's pretty heavy, and yeah, the trigger pull is nice. All right, so there's that. Next up we have a nozzle. Again, I won't be using this, however, it does come with it, and yeah, I'll probably just use this when I'm doing my own vehicles at home with my other equipment. I will tell you, this thing is pretty darn hefty. It's pretty heavy. Don't know that I'd want to be swinging this thing around all day long, or even for an hour at a time. I mean, this is it's pretty heavy. It's obviously good quality. Looks like it's in 1.4301 for all my techie nerds, and it's 304 stainless, of course. Looks like it's 12 millimeter. So there you go. Pretty hefty. Won't be using it in my detailing business, but I'll probably use it at home just to try it out. And when I do, I'll post a video. All right. Next up, we have some foam. All right, now we're getting into the good stuff. Holy cow. All right. Okay, there it is. See, it has a little scuff mark on here. Wow. This thing's a beast. Yeah, super heavy. As far as mounting goes, it looks like I'm going to have to remove. Honestly, I'm not sure how I'm going to mount this thing. I may put something around here maybe some hooks that kind of hook it in. That way I keep this vibration dampening. So these are little rubber pieces. My assumption is that they're used for vibration dampening. So I'd like to keep that. I was actually thinking about that before I opened this up, that if it doesn't have any kind of vibration dampening, I'd like to go ahead and add some. So I'll either make a skid for this to sit on, or maybe I'll keep this attached and then I will use some sort of a U-hook, something or other, some U-bolts or something, and bolt this directly down. I'm not sure yet, because I'm going to probably want to be able to remove this, with some ease. So I need to think that through before I just go and mount this thing. But yeah, quality wise, has a pressure gauge up on top here. Inlets and outlets are nice. The machining work that's done on it, so they did some machining work over here for the pads, appears to be done pretty well. I'm a machinist by trade, so of course I feel the need to, when I see machining work done, I always look at how I probably would have approached it. I would say they approached this one probably the right way, I would say. Outside of that, hefty motor. The pump, these things are known to be, they're known to be the best of the best, especially in the detailing world. People really, really, really gravitate towards these. This is the 1620 TS, so the total stop, I believe this is the total stop system. So I believe this controls keeps the motor from running constantly. So you don't have to run a return line. All you do is you hook it up to your water, and when you pull the trigger, it's on demand. So this thing should kick on and kick off on demand based on pulling the trigger. So we'll see how that all works. Electrical cord. It's hefty and there's plenty of it. That's a lot of electrical cord. Appears to be of decent quality. They even have dielectric. Is that grease? Nah, it looks like just glue. Thought they had dielectric grease on the prongs. But that will probably wrap this thing up. Oh, I guess. Okay, so it looks like it has some GFCI going on here, or GFI as some people like to call it. So pretty good, yeah. Looks like it's kind of the whole deal. And then here it says, change the red oil closing plug against this oil dipstick. Change the red oil closing plug against this oil dipstick with ventilation hole before the first use of the unit. So I think that means that this goes in here. Hopefully you can see that. So we'll see as I go along if it requires some explanation as I'm putting this kind of together into my system. I'll go ahead and post some videos about that as well, just so you guys have that information. So that being said, I would say have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get back to everybody as soon as possible. And thanks again for watching my video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.